Global Warming and Volcanic Winter by David Ostwald, a focus on Kilauea Volcano. Global warming is an upward trend. It is well documented, reduces biodiversity, and causes natural disasters. We see how the Earth is warming up. Here we are today. Some people believe Earth's volcanic activity has increased. Are volcanic eruptions up 150% since the 1990s? Did 2013 eruptions cause a colder winter? Mount Etna in Italy erupted violently in 2013. It is a decade volcano. The smoke could be seen from outer space. Just recently, Popocatépetl erupted again on November 12, 2017. This volcano is very close to Mexico City. The amount of ash Popocatépetl emits could cause atmospheric cooling. Do such eruptions lead to a volcanic winter? Approximately 70,000 years ago, the Toba supereruption put enough aerosol in the atmosphere to cause a period of glaciation and a human population crash. The arrow indicates how this event occurred following a large spike in the Earth's temperature. Is volcanic winter like a nuclear winter? In the nuclear winter scenario, there's so much soot from burning debris in the air, it drops the ocean temperatures by about 2 to 6 degrees centigrade. The Toba aerosol cloud is predicted to have caused severe cooling. It was a global environmental disaster.
The lava here is very friable. It comes off in flaky layers. It's old, almost dry clay-like. And it's obviously the product of lava being affected by seawater. It might be really easy to grind this kind of lava up, oxidize it very quickly compared with, would be fun to analyze the mineral content in it. Weird colors in the lava here. See that? Well, it's sunrise on May 11th. I'm probably going to follow that loop. You can see heat rising in many areas here from the ground. The closer you get to the steaming lava there, off in the distance, that's where the lava tube is hitting the ocean. This is a barren area. The ground, the footing is shaky in many spots. There's steam vents all over the place. Sometimes the sound of lava cooling, the sound of the birds in the distance is a definite relief. That forest there nearby. Everything else is completely barren. Not even any fern growing here. The lava is wet, probably from the steam. There's some sulfur crystals right in there. Just think about how this is all brand new. Since it has been in the center of the earth. This stuff is like silver at the edge here. And it's really warm too. More in the center. I'm trying to stay on the edges here. Ooh, it's warm in here. This must be all molten underneath. I found there's a steam gun. You can actually hear the lava moving in some places. It might be ready to pop a bubble anywhere, you never know. So many how some of the new lava has melted over the old lava. Safest ground. It's a welcome sight to see all the plants again. The guava, good, and the ferns, of course. Gosh, it's beautiful out here. I think I'm going to take a break. See where the lava is flowing in the ocean. I'm probably standing right over the lava tube underneath us, somewhere under there. Yeah, it's a straight shot to the ocean from here. I don't know how far in I want to go there, so I'm just going to cross back over to the side for now. Look at these crazy shapes and patterns here. Well, I think this is as far as I need to go today. I am the only one out here on foot, as you can tell. Whew. Look at this view. I don't need to get any closer. Look at that, though. Can you imagine going to that little beach right now? Oh, if I were not alone, had a buddy or maybe 5 or 6, this is awesome. There's a lot of steam. Well, here's another view a little bit further out.
The Hawaiian name Kilauea means spewing or much spreading. This refers to the constant flow of lava. The U.S. Geological Survey is keeping a close eye on Kilauea. Kilauea is, after all, the most active Hawaiian volcano. It grew up on the side of the much larger Mauna Loa, which also erupts. Lava flows from Kilauea to the sea in lava tubes.
All right, just parked the car, and here we go. Gonna check out this lava viewing. The stars are out. Of course. Oh, concession stands. How about that? Well, you guys don't miss a beat, do you?
I try not to.
All right, aloha. Howdy. Caution, water, flashlights, adequate footwear required. Now we're actually registering the glow. Video. Walking on some pretty fresh. Recently dried, very shiny and very brittle. So yeah, this is the official. Okay, here we go. Follow the yellow brick road. getting close to where sharp these formations are. Getting closer. You really gotta be careful where you step, so sometimes real fresh stuff. Oh man, check it out. We don't notice too much movement, it's real slow. I'm starting to feel warmth in the breeze as I approach the lava. Okay, we're definitely close. There's some lava glowing right under that. I can feel gas warming my face. I'm within walking distance of lava. Yeah, there's lava under here. This could at any time do what it wants to do, so I'm going to try to get over to where the other people are. Yeah, there may not be any glowing right here where I am right now, but I can smell sulfur all around me. Probably coming off the wind too from up there. And there's another hot spot right there. So it's all around me. Alright, you want to get intense close up? This is about as close as I want to get. Hello, Mother Earth. Well, from this point, there's still people who are closer than I am, but you can actually hear some of the lava sliding down the hill. People are up real close and personal. There you are. Here we can see some trees that are burning. Oh, look at those sparks. Crazy to think that we live on a ball of fire, huh? Those are pretty interesting colors. Probably different layers of minerals, the way they cooled.
A quote from Arthur Schopenhauer: "All truth passes through 3 stages. First, it is ridiculed. Second, it is violently opposed. And third, it is accepted as self-evident." Could it be that as the atmosphere warms, Earth's crust also warms up? Wouldn't this change the elastic rebound of plate tectonics? Thus, smaller, more frequent earthquakes would mark a lithosphere that is melting. Volcanic eruptions would therefore increase. Plate tectonics theory was spawned by ideas of convection within the mantle. It's kind of like when you put the lid on a pot of water. It starts boiling much faster. "90% of continental U.S. earthquakes occur in California and Nevada. When we look at the tabular data, we see fewer but bigger quakes in the 1800s to 1900s. Then, after the 1900s, there are much more numerous and smaller quakes. What is the implication? Is Earth crust moving at a faster rate? Are quakes more frequent? As elastic resistance changes, are quakes also smaller? Why? Is the asthenosphere warmer due to global warming? Is this because of
the newest land here. Looks like they're having fun planting agave and a bunch of other things. Coconuts. It should change the environment quite drastically, and actually fairly quickly. Within 10 years this may look completely different. Need to see how the ferns grow right in the lava here, like we've seen plenty of times before. Look at those guys. Yeah, and others. Ohia? So that guy on the bicycle just told me you can bike almost up to where the lava is going to cross the road. You can lock your bike to one of the poles and then walk a quarter mile and it's right there. Apparently it's crossed the road and it's going into the ocean, so let's go check that out. There it is. They're keeping a close lookout with the helicopter over there. Hey guys, what's happening? Making sure people stay on the path maybe. Well, here we see where it has crossed the road. Let's climb up there and see what's this all about. Oh yeah, this stuff feels warm. Woohoo! If it was nighttime, we'd probably see some glows under here. It's very warm. Oh, there's a glow right there. Oh, a lot of this is red hot here. Oh, there's some redness. Yeah, I don't feel so comfortable out here. Smell that sulfur. Feeling some warmth on this stuff too. Amazing that they're just letting people walk all over it. There's a glow right there. We're just walking all over the hot stuff here. It's still orange in there. Here, we'll just follow this lava brick road. Look at the flows, how they've undulated. Wow. Look Look at this. This stuff is so cool. Look, pieces of it stuck into my hand where I was touching it. That's like a little glass-like slivers. You can see that. Oh, this is still warm. This is freshy. Yeah, that looks like a fun boat cruise. Oh, there it is. Wow. This is awesome. I might be videotaping for a while, but you just want to hang out here. What is our fascination with lava? There's a question. To see the power of the earth, of new birth, the energy, unexplainable energy, where the earth appears to be alive. To see the earth moving on its own. Doesn't that make it animal-like? Oh, there's a chunk falling off. Woo! Chakoom! Splash! Where's the splash? Splash! It's like Willy Wonka. Just can't get enough of this. Madame Pelé, you are so attractive. C'est magnifique. The crazy thing is, I swear I see a rainbow in that smoke coming up. Probably from all the steam, huh? Same idea. It's cool just watching the blobs dropping off. What is this new obsession of mine? Something kind of sexual in it. This guy's having fun getting a good picture standing on the edge there. It's really warm up there too. Look how close that is. See, there's no telling. Oh, look, there's some lava right there. And there, look, there's a nice one. No telling what could happen here. Seeing as this stuff has been here for a while and the Park Service has been here for a while, they've probably walked all over this and they know exactly where the hot spots are. Yeah, just to be here and to look at it, you gotta do it. Video can only approximate. Imagine how this whole coastline has been formed this way by the lava. Look at the lava! Wow. Wowie, wowie. Ooh. Do not stand under there. No. Ooh. Ooh, nice cliff we're hanging on here. Living on the edge. Back in the hot zone here. I think I'm gonna cross up by where the road is. It seems like that's where everybody's crossing. Wow, look at this, like a dragon's jaw. Yeah, that was the road marker right there. There's a nice exposure right there. Yeah, you know, this middle area is probably not a fun part to walk on. Oh, looks like these people are crossing it. Let's go join the party. Oh, here's another nice hot spot. These people are brave. Everybody's doing it now. It's like, yes, we can cross the road.
Oh yeah, we were down there.
Nice sound effects.
Really neat.
Oh, now it's like everybody's crossing.
Now it's, bam, here we go. Across the street.
Everybody's getting brave right now.
Have a good day, man.
You too. Ooh. Yeah, it does get real over here. Oh my goodness. Really warm. Yes. Woo! Burning the legs a little bit. Toasty. Oh, very warm. Well, shall we try to make it across? Oh yeah, this is the real stuff. Don't know how far I want to go on this. Where that metal is hot and you can hear it like making noise as it's heating up from the lava. It's like a big thermometer. My shoes are starting to melt. Here's where it's flowing right down into the sea. Yeah, nightfall. Now we see the river. Where it leads to the ocean.
No. There's lava under here. Yeah.
people bike in from the other side too. Definitely want to keep going once you get out here. If you stop for too long on a hot area, the shoes melt. I'm actually on an island. There's a little island